What's up, everybody? Select FOTL. Pick your color, number 31. And again, for transparency, guys, if there is any kind of redemption or any kind of auto that has a funny numbering or anything like that, it goes to its respective cases. So, for example, Gridiron Kings, we ran into that issue yesterday. We have confirmed that all Gridiron Kings is a hollow. Unless it's like a Pandora or something, but it goes to the respective colors. Let's do it. Let's hit a one-on-one right now. Let's do it. There is... how many boxes left? I think we got 5 boxes left in this case. Knights are whooping butt. I like it. Go Knights, go, baby. What's up, Ron? What's up, Joseph? What's up, guys? Good luck. Thank you, everybody, for the kill. Appreciate it. All right, good luck, guys. Everything ships in this. Good luck. Tie-dye. Ooh, it's not a bad one. How about a second-year Justin Fields for the tie-dye and JT Fenn? Nice hit. That's 2 of 25 on the Fields. Silver of Zion Johnson. That kind of sounds weird for me to say. Mahomie. Silver of Chase. No. Not at all, 1227. Not at all. And that's why we specified that. Obviously, it's a newer color break. You are correct. It is a silver, but we specified it. So, again, moving forward, we just want to make sure we work out any kinks. Tiger! Logan Hall for the Bucks. We're going to see an XRC here, so good luck, guys. Logan Hall for the Bucks, Tiger. We're going to see an XRC. Anytime you guys see redemption, you see XRC. Hurt, silver. Purple on a Javante for the purple. Silver of DJ Moore. All right, let's see it. Let's see it. Say QB1. If it is just a base prism on this, guys, it goes to the base spot for Scarmento. If there's no color on it, it goes to the base spot. Good luck. It goes to the base spot. It's a base prism redemption. Anytime, anytime. It's defense number 1 for Scarmento. Defense number 1, I want to say... I got to look at my list, I forgot. Texans, Will Anderson. Scarmento. Oops. Redemption, good luck. Orange Neon Pulsar Prime. It's Jameson Williams. Nice, Juicy. Juicy Germs on the RPA. Nice hit, Juicy. That's number 30 on the Jameson Williams for Juicy. Nice. Nice hit on the Juicy. Lions hit really well in Select, by the way. Lions do hit pretty well. All right, let's continue. Good luck. Still got a few more hits here. Looks like maybe another auto coming. Prescott. Ooh, the 199. This goes to the silver. That's a silver. To 199 or hollow. Silver, hollow, you know what I mean. For the silver, Lucky Lefty with the easy. It's a silver. It goes to the silver. Kerry Joseph. Goes to the tricolor. Derek Force Jr. Commanders. Silver of Herbert. Silver Sensations of Herbert goes to the silver. Silver of Kyler Elam. Silver. What is this? /99 swatch of Joe Mixon, also going to the silver. Silver on the Mixon. Silver. Quay Walker. There's a Pickett for the base. Nick Chubb, silver. Algier. For the tricolor again, it's Malcolm Rodriguez. Silver of McLaurin. And that box, I'm sorry, that box wasn't that great, guys. Nice Jameson Williams. XRC, we had a Fields tie-dye, but that was really about it. It stopped right there. Got an easy E and stuff like that, don't get me wrong, but in terms of the overall break for everyone, not the greatest. Jameson Williams, Scarmento on the defensive one. Fields on the tie-dye spot. Logan Hall on the Tiger spot. Juicy. Javante, silver of Mixon. Tricolor of DeForest, easy E, and a couple of them will be sleeved off of camera. That is the break, guys. Thank you, everybody.